so small. Right. You lose them immediately.
This is Anubis, Jesselyn's dog. Tuesday afternoon, I don't have a show today. There's an open mic I'm gonna check out. I went to it last week when I first got here. Wasn't able to play, but they said I could play tonight. So I'm gonna do that tonight. And then we'll see what I get into this evening. I play tomorrow, but doing laundry now and kind of relaxing and yeah.
Nice boy. I know.
I'm not as fast as you are on a bike. I'm finally in the lead. It's really easy this way.
We might just go ahead and just play guitars and have the band play.
Okay, yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah, that's something different from what I do. I probably do want to loop something just so I can show people my looping stuff.
Sure.
Yeah, just so people can see that. But I rarely get to play with the band, so I definitely do want to check that out and have fun with that. If it works out, it sounds sick.
Well, it's up to you. I mean, it's going to be your space of time, so maybe you could go up there and do a song with your loop and then have the band go up after. You get 3 songs, 2 or 3 songs, so.
Yeah, okay, maybe I do a loop thing and then maybe get the band.
Are these your blow up things?
No, they were just here before us, so feel free.
Cool.
Sit. Can you sit? Can you sit? Can you sit?
Yeah, let's do the ground together.
Something deep down in my soul. This thing is like.
Well, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. How you doing? My name is Eric Ripper. I drove from Nashville last week to be here with you guys. I'm here hanging out for the rest of the month, playing all. I'm here tomorrow, 6 to 9, and playing all around town. It's awesome to be here. It's great to meet the music community of Tahoe.
To get excited, the thief he kindly spoke.
Thank you. Would you guys like to hear some reggae next or some hip hop? Make some noise for reggae. Make some noise for hip hop. Reggae, hip hop. you want me to tell you the song choices? This could be the elements. Okay, well, this is the rap song. Do you want to hear my cover of Yeah? Or some Bob Marley? Make some noise for Bob Marley. Make some noise for Yeah by Usher. Featuring Little John and Ludacris. If I do this, I need to see some people hype and dance.
She happy, feeling like she's ready to fly. Let's drink you to one to please. Little Chris Field cups like double D's. Arch once more, believe I'm dead. We want a lady in the street. Yeah, yeah.
Thank you.
Don't worry about a thing. Don't worry, happy little baby, gonna be alright.
Thank you so much. Thanks for having me. My name is Eric Ripper, like Jack the Ripper, Eric Ripper. I'm here tomorrow, 6 to 9. Come hang out with me. Cheers.
A lot of boys here like want to do it. That's me.
It's just like you're moving too fast.
It's like, I don't understand.
No. No. Hey.